Are you a real estate investor that wants to use AI to qualify and generate leads so you're just showing up for the appointment? I'm going to be hosting a series of tutorials that's going to show you how to do just that. Okay, automatically an LOI is sent out to the seller with a follow-up text. And once the seller starts to reply to the text, then the AI takes over and it starts qualifying it immediately. So it asks for the condition of the property, and then it goes into, hey, what's your timeline to sell the property? And then what's your asking price? And it goes into the motivation, and you can structure these however you want, but these are the questions that I ask. And then it asks the time zone just to make sure that they're not in different time zones. And then it gets the time that you want the appointment. And then it goes to it schedules the appointment and puts it on your pipeline. And reminders are sent out automatically to both you and the seller. And you're all set. All you got to do is show up to the appointment and close that deal. I am Travis Bouchonville. I'm the owner of Property Systems. And what we do is we help real estate investors with Rei Reply or Go High Level accounts generate leads, send contracts, send LOIs, and follow up so no lead gets left in the dirt. If you struggle with automation, either watch my videos or use the QR code on the screen to schedule a strategy call with me and have a full time integrator on your team.